Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I'm again talking about the Shiba INU token. When the Shiba INU token reached to $1 and when they hit a $1 friends. In this video I'm showing you that when they hit a $1 friends, on the basis of technical analysis and on the basis of previous changes occur in the Shiba token friends. So friends, before starting this interesting video, first of all I request all of my friends that at this time watching me my videos, so please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates. I know you all subscribe my channel honestly, so that is why I want to thank you all of you friends. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel friends. Anyways, let's start the video friends. First of all, at this time we look the currently at this time live price of the Shiba token in the market. As you can see here, at this time price as $0.00028 is the currently at this time live price of Shiba token in the market. On the other hand, if we look the price changes, the changes occur in the Shiba token in the last 1 week. The last 1 week change is absolutely moving at the 1000% positive. As you can see here, 1601.13% going positive Shiba token. Oh my god, absolutely, that's mean that the Shiba token make millionaire at this month friends. Absolutely, it's going very fastly and moving upward friends. And if we look the last 1 hour, the last 1 hour change is also positive. The last 1 day price change is also positive. So I hope that they can very soon hitting a $1. For that, let's see the price chart of the Shiba token. As you can see here, the Shiba token also had the highest price in the last 1 day, $0.0032 so I hope that in the last of this week they hit a $0.01 and I think that in the it's a May, and after a May the next month, after a May the next month they can easily hit $1 and if this kind of change continue throughout this 1 week, this kind 94.48% positive change continues same like that throughout this whole month friends. So that is not so far that they can hit a $1 very soon friends. I'm sure if this kind of change continue in the Shiba token throughout this week, so they can easily hit a $1. What do you think? What do you think about Shiba token? Can they hit a $1 and this week if this kind of change continue in the Shiba token or not? Please tell me in the comment box. And friends, once again I'm telling you to please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.